And the yellow colored postcard is the key. There's a reason. I mean, some people are like, oh, that's a really basic postcard. You guys, we have some top 1% agents. They don't do spiffy. They do what works, and this works. There is some, and Coach Dan could really explain this to you, but there are triggers in this particular copy, and the yellow colored postcard is the key. It's something about that color that really stands out. And By Referral Only has been using this postcard for ages, and there is a reason why it gets looked at. When people get this in their mailbox, they look at it. And that's the great thing about a mailer. So yes, I know we're talking about social, but you can cross that message over in multiple mediums. And that is the name of the game these days. Same messaging, social, email, snail mail, bringing it all together in a big way to surround them with your message.